So this is the last song on the schedule, and if I don't sing this song, then my children will attack me if I attack me when I'm finished, off camera, hopefully. So I have to sing it, and this is the first song that I wrote, the first real nasheed that I wrote, and it was for my children and about my children. And I wrote it one day when I was coming. You want to see the kids, inshallah. I wrote it one day when I was coming home, actually, from the masjid on the night of the 15th of Sha'ban in 2004. And I was really thinking about my children, because the imam at the masjid had made so much dua for children, and dua for us through the innocence of our children, that I really decided I was really inspired to write this song. And it's a song that is a prayer for one's children, and it encapsulates our hopes and our dreams and also our fears for our children, and what we want for them in this world and what we want for them in the next world. And I used to tell people, and I'll tell you as well, if you have children, when you're listening to the song, think about your children. If you don't have children, think about your parents, because this is their dua for you, inshallah. So it's called Songs of Innocence, and yes, that is taken from William Blake. That is the title of one of the great works of poetry by William Blake. And I sing my songs of innocence to you, my precious child, as you lay on your bed with your sleepy eyes and your heavy head. Rest and dream in peace till morning comes again. I will sing my songs of innocence. I will sing my songs of innocence. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illahu, Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illahu. And I sing my songs of innocence as I watch you sleep. Think what may lie ahead. So many the roads that before you spread. Take the way, my child, to the beloved friend. Lead a life of truth and innocence, the way of Sunnah, the path of the Prophet. Let your words be echoes of his sentences. Let your deeds be shadows of his radiance. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illahu, Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illahu. And though the world sometimes feels cold and hard, and you may feel like you are wandering alone, do not fear, do not grieve. In Allah place your belief. In His remembrance your heart will find its peace. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illahu, Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illahu. And I gaze at you in wonderment, how your heart is filled with innocence. You'll never know the joy you bring to me, how your touch and smile meet at the gathering of innocence. At Al-Kawthar, the fount of abundance, by the Prophet's hand may our thirst be quenched. We will be with him and we will be content. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi, peace and blessings on him and his family, and all who follow in his blessed way. You and I, my friends, may we among them be. You and I, my child, may we among them be. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illahu, Allah. Ya Allah, will you help me learn of innocence? Ya Allah, sing a song of love and innocence. Ya Allah, will you help me find my way back home? Ya Allah, will you fill my heart with innocence? May I come